I love adding metals to alcohol ink artwork, and in this video I'm comparing rose gold mixative with statue alloy. They're both made by Ranger, but they both have completely different looks to them. I'm working on some synthetic paper, and I'm using alcohol ink blending solution to blend it around. Isopropyl alcohol makes these metals go grainy and weird, so you want to make sure to use blending solution with them. And I'm also blowing everything around with an alcohol ink blower tool and using a couple of colors of alcohol ink with them because they're meant to be mixed with alcohol inks and not just used on their own. As I'm working, I'll add a little bit of color, a little bit of the mixative, a little bit of the alloy as needed. You'll see that the mixative blends into the color a little bit. It doesn't really move a whole lot unless you move it. The alloy, however, floats to the surface and it starts to spread out, kind of going to the edges. It is more of a leafing metal, so it's a little bit more chunky and more obvious, but both of them are gorgeous, just depending on the look that you're going for.